That's not what Christmas is about.
I know that, and you know that, but Wally P. Nezzer was a little confused, and thanks to his TV commercial, so was everybody else. The kids were a-whining and the toys were flying off the assembly line just like he planned.
That must have been the worst Christmas ever.
Oh, yes, it would have been, if it wasn't for what happened next.
What? What happened?
Well, as the toys were coming down the assembly line having their noses tested, one of them winced.
Winced?
He grimaced, made a face, didn't like the sound of the words that was coming out of his own head.
But he was just a toy.
Maybe he was wired different. Who knows? Anyways, that night while all the other toys were waiting to get sent out, he was doing some thinking.
Grumpy kids, greedy dreams. This is not what Christmas means. I'm just a toy, I don't claim to be a genius, but there must be more to Christmas. There must be more to Christmas. I think we're really missing something. Must be more to Christmas. But what?
Yes, there had to be more. Louie didn't know what it was, but he figured it was about time somebody found out. Now, he'd never been out of the factory before. Why, he'd never even been out of his box before. But he was a smart toy. How hard could it be?
Cinders and ashes, said Thomas. I'm stuck.
Maybe a little harder than he thought. The Toy That Saved Christmas will continue after this short break.